Now let's take a quick look at this Argo Ergonomic mouse before we get into our full review. Now this is a large, right-handed, vertical mouse with, as you can see, quite a unique design on there. And as it comes to features, we have a integrated brake indicator, which as far as I'm aware of these Argo products is essentially it's just a light that comes on to let you know when you've been working long and hard enough and thinks you should take a break, which I'm interested to check out. Obviously, vertical mouse, only be able to use this if you are right-handed, because it's really ramped up on the right-hand side. And interestingly, it's both wireless and wired when it comes to connectivity. So I'd imagine that'll be a dongle, a cable to use it while it's attached, and a Bluetooth connection too. Here we go, got a little flyer for the brake indicator. It's got some boring old paperwork. Dongle as anticipated, which is weird because I find normally they're tucked away inside the mouse on products like this. The mouse itself, as you can see, is quite a beast. Not entirely sure how I feel about that, but we'll give it a good go. And the only other thing in the box is the cable. Now I won't bore you with me getting to grips with it, but I'll get myself set up now, see how it goes, and get back to you with my thoughts. So, after a day of working with the mouse, I actually quite enjoyed it. And my initial impression was it felt too light, like there's not a ton of weight in there, to the point where I checked for a battery hatch, assuming that there would need to be batteries in there. It just doesn't quite feel right as you use it. But I did kind of get over that as my day went on. That was the extent of the teething problems, to be honest. Despite its shape that kind of had me concerned, it, as I say, was very easy to get used to. The button placements for the forward and back buttons are sensible. I had very little in the way of accidental button presses or anything like that, and having the left and right mouse click and scroll wheel on the side worked absolutely fine. No complaints from me. When it came to the brake indicator, I actually didn't bother with it. I went onto their website to get the software and it required registration, entering an email address, signing up for it, and I believe a payment plan as well. The registering to use a mouse turned me off, to be honest, and the idea of paying for being told to use a brake seems ridiculous. The price plan was pretty steep as well, so it's not something I'm interested in. I mean, the retail for this mouse is around £70–80 as standard anyway. I'm perfectly capable of setting myself a timer or an alarm on my phone when I need to take a break. I do not need to pay for the privilege or give up my information. But other than that, I had a good time with this mouse, as much as you can with a mouse. And there are a few downsides to it, especially the price. I don't really feel it's that premium of a product to justify that. I hope you found this useful. Hope this helps in your decision. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Leave a like if you found it useful, and I'll see you next time. Take care.